What's going on, everybody? So I'm back from the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Divoom Ditoo Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker. So it's not just a Bluetooth speaker. It comes with other features such as games. So there's cool little arcade games, as well as the pixel art, which is like one of the main features of this, where you can download an app. It is available on iOS and Android, where you guys can browse to the community tab and get a bunch of cool creative pixel arts on the screen, as you guys will see right here. But I will get more into that in the video, as well as if you're really creative and you want to create your own, you're able to do that straight from the application. Another cool thing I can name on top of my head is it has the music visualizer in the app. So if you're playing music, there is a visualizer that will pop up on the screen as you're playing the music or some sort of audio. But let's get on to the unboxing. Also, forgot to mention, make sure you guys drop a like on the video and hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. So right off the bat, here are some of the controls on the keyboard itself. So you get the 6 keys as well as the handle. It does go a little bit more in depth in the manual, but I give you guys a more simplified version of it. So with the Divoom Pixel Art, you're actually able to play a couple of games on here. So these are just very basic arcade games, such as like Snake and Tetris and a couple other ones. There is quite a few that you can select from. I don't go through all of it in this video, but here are the couple ones I played. Pair your phone to the Divoom Pixel Art, you guys just want to go to the menu icon and then go into the Bluetooth pairing mode, which will now go to our Bluetooth settings on my iPhone and then connect to it. So there is an application which supports Android and iPhone, which I'm going to down below in the description. You guys will see I'm fully connected to this app now via Bluetooth Ditto Plus Lite, and then from here there's so many customizations with this application. You guys can look through the community tab right here, where there are a bunch of dope pixel art which you guys can apply it to your Divoom Pixel Art itself. And as well as you guys can even create your own. So if you're an artist and you want to create your own, you don't want to be using it in the community tab, you're able to do that as well. So you guys will see right here on my iPhone, there are a bunch of colors you can select through, and I don't really draw anything. I'm just kind of drawing a bunch of scribbles, but you guys will be able to see it's going to automatically apply to the Divoom Pixel Art right away. So now we're going to be doing a quick sound comparison between the Divoom Pixel Art and my phone at 50%. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. This is the Divoom Ditoo Pixel Art Bluetooth speaker. So once again, I want to give them a huge thank for sending this product out for review. If you want to pick one up, I'm gonna link it down below in the description of the video. It does come at $84.99 USD. Comes in 6 colors. So we got black, white as shown in the video. We also got blue, green, pink, and red. So this is more, this accessory is more on the pricier end because it is $84.99 USD. So would I pick one up? If you have the money, I highly recommend it. It is the perfect kind of desk accessory because I use it all the time for the clock, obviously the Bluetooth speaker feature, and then if you're really creative, you can get really involved with the pixel art application, as well as this is the perfect gift as well. I would definitely pick one up if anyone, for like a Christmas gift or birthday, any sort of kind of gift exchange or anything like that. But that's basically it for the video. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you did, drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.